Ryan from High Impact Flix. He's comparing. Oh well, abortion is legal, but you can't kill an eagle egg, and that's like the same thing. Having a baby is like having an abortion is like killing an eagle egg, because babies take care of themselves and all this, and you don't have to give birth to them, and right, like, way to misrepresent an argument. Like, it seems like he's got his emotions so interwrapped that he can't think logically or whatever. But I think that there, obviously, late-term abortions, there's an ethical thing with that, but there's not much of an alternative other than forcing. Like, in a perfect world, a woman that doesn't want to get pregnant would not get pregnant, right? But newsflash, that happens. Like these conservative type, like people like High Impact Flux, they'll kick their kid out at 18 and they pretend like they take care of themselves and shit. But yet life is so sacred, right?